We do a range of different things. So we help with decluttering. So like as mums, like when we have kids, we seem to accumulate so much stuff, but yet we have so little time to do anything about it. So going in and supporting a busy mum through the decluttering process by doing like the heavy lifting and helping them through the decision process to get rid of things. We then organise, so we create systems within your home to make it easy for you and your family to find the things that you need that make just day-to-day life that bit easier, and also help kids become self-sufficient when they know exactly where their things are, because that also lifts the load from a busy mum.
We do everything from decluttering someone's house, so being brought in at different points in their life. Like, it could be they're preparing for the arrival of a new baby. They might be helping to clear out their loved one's estate when, things have happened in their life. They might be going through a change in their own life, moving out of home, going through a divorce, big inflection points in life where you kind of look around you and survey the stuff that you've accumulated and kind of sometimes look back and go, why do I have so many things in my life? And it's quite overwhelming. So we love kind of going into the homes of busy women and helping them, clear away all that noise from their life and really return back to being simple and more minimal and keeping the things that, add value, add meaning, add purpose into their life and helping them get rid of the stuff that doesn't.